Hello students, welcome to Eduate, Education Anytime. In this video, we will solve exercise 1.1. क्वेश्चन 1 से शुरुआत करते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है यूज यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम to find HCF of 135 and 225 part 2, 196 and 38220 part 3, 867 and 255. तो चलिए क्वेश्चन पार्ट 1 से शुरुआत करते हैं. Use Euclid's division algorithm. So Euclid's division algorithm, step 1 is C is equal to D Q plus R. Now the numbers are C and D, and the numbers is such that C is greater than D. So यहाँ पर as 225 is greater than 135, so C will be this 225 and D will be 135. Now, as per the division, long division, you know, one अगर इसको divide करें 225 को 135 से, so ये 1 times जाएगा, so 135. Now 90 is remaining. Now 90 is remaining. Remainder is not equal to 0. So now new numbers will be 135 and 90. So first step is this 225, it may be written as 135 into 1 plus 90. So this is the remainder and it is not equal to 0. If remainder is not equal to 0, the new numbers are, you know, D and R. So D is 135 and R is 90. So new numbers are 135 and 90. So this 135 is now divided by 90. So ये देखिएगा 1 times जाएगा यानी 90. Now 45 is remaining. So this 135 now may be written as 135 is equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. Now new numbers, because the remainder is not equal to 0, so new numbers are this 90 and 45. तो अब डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा 90 को 45 से, तो ये एग्जैक्ट डिविजिबल होगा 2 times. So remainder is 0. So at this stage the divisor will be the HCF. So next step is this 90 is written as 45 into this 45 into 2 plus 0. So this remainder is 0. So at this stage, this value D, this divisor will be the HCF. So HCF of 135 and 225, it is equal to 45. So इसी तरह से question 2 करेंगे. Now these two numbers are 196 and 38220. So here this will be the C and this will be the D. C is greater than D. So C is equal to DQ plus R. Now this C 38220 can be written as 196 into 19 प्लस 98. सो इसी तरह से हम स्टेप करेंगे जैसे हमने पार्ट 1 में किया हुआ है. लॉन्ग डिवीजन से हम कह सकते हैं, लॉन्ग डिवीजन से ये स्टेप आएगा 38,220 इज इक्वल टू 196 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 19 प्लस 98. सो दिस 90 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स रिमाइंडर इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ पर R इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. So new numbers will be 196 and 98, and this 196 is written as, now this 196 is C, okay, and 98 is D. So this 196 can be written as 196 is equal to 98 into 2 plus 0. At this stage R is equal to 0, remainder is 0. So this D, the value of D means this 98 will be the required HCF. So HCF of 196 and 38220, it is 98. पार्ट 3 में दो नंबर दिए हुए हैं 867 एंड 255. यहाँ पर 867 is greater than 255, so this will be the C and this will be the D. So C can be written as C is equal to DQ plus R. So by long division we can have this step. 867 is equal to 255 into 3 plus 1082, as this R is not equal to 0 at this stage. So new numbers will be 255 and 102. So this 255 is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. 255 को हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं in the form of C is equal to DQ plus R. So at this stage R is not equal to 0. So new numbers are 102 and 51. Now 102 in terms of 51, it can be written as 102 is equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. So at this stage R is 0. So the value of D will be the required SCF, means 51 will be the required SCF. So SCF of 867 and 255, it is equal to 51. Now question 2, इसमें दिया हुआ है show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Now we know that the Euclid's division algorithm is A is equal to BQ plus R. Now this A and V are two positive integers. Now A is suppose any positive integer. This is, let this is positive integer. Let A is positive integer and B is equal to, let B is equal to 6. So B is equal to 6, and we know for q greater than equal to 0, q is an integer, it is positive integer, q is some integer, positive integer. Now this, the value of R, it will lie, this R is less than, R is less than B and greater than equal to 0. So for this case, the value of R will be less than B, means less than 6, greater than equal to 0. So that means R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So R is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this A from equation 1, A can be if R is 0, so it will be, B is 6, R 6q. So now this equation actually becomes, यहाँ पर हम लिख लेते हैं, for B is 6, this A is equal to 6q plus R. इस इक्वेशन में हमने बॉक्स के अंदर जो दी हुई है, R को हमने 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 रखना है, तो A आ जाता है हमारा, पहला 6q आएगा R 0 के लिए, और R is equal to 1 के लिए 6q plus 1, next 6q plus 2, or it may be 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4 and 6q plus 5. So A may be 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5. So now we know that the even number is 2 multiplied by some integer. We can say 2 multiplied by some integer means 2m. Even number is of the form 2m, and odd number is of the form 2 multiplied by some integer plus 1. So odd number means it is even number plus 1. So even number is of the form 2m and odd number is of the form 2m plus 1. So अगर even number में 1 add हो रहा है तो that will be the odd number, और even number some integer multiplied by 2, or we can say if some integer is divisible by 2, so that will be the even number. So now the numbers are 6q. So a may be 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, एक एक करके सभी को हम देखेंगे कैसा हो सकता है ये नंबर, इवन हो सकता है या ओड हो सकता है. So this is 2 multiplied by 3q. So 2 multiplied by some integer. So let it is 2m. So this will be even number. Now you know 6q plus 1, 6q plus 1. So it is 2m plus 1. So definitely it will be odd number, odd integer. So 6q will be even integer, 6q plus 1 will be odd integer. Next number is 6q plus 2. So it is 2 common ले लेते हैं, 3q plus 1. So definitely 2 multiplied by some integer. So it is even number. And 6q plus 3. So इसको हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं 6q plus 2 plus 1. So it is equal to 2 कॉमन ले लेते हैं फर्स्ट 2 टर्म्स में. So 3q plus 1 plus 1. So definitely this will be odd number, this will be even number, and plus 1 will be odd number. So now 6q plus 4. So it is 2 कॉमन लेने से 3q plus 2. So 2 multiplied by some integer. So it is even number. And next number is 6q plus 5. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 6q plus 4 plus 1. 2, 3q plus 2 plus 1, as this is even number, and this even plus 1 definitely it will be odd integer. Now okay, so now this 6q is even, 6q is even, and 6q plus 1 is odd, and so on. So we have to prove that, we have to show that any positive odd integer, हमने any positive odd integer को हमने a माना था. So a is the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 1, this one, 6q plus 3, this one, 6q plus 5, this one. So where q is some integer, so that any positive odd integer. So ये हमने शो किए हुए हैं 6q plus 1, this will be odd, 6q plus 3, this will be odd, and 6q plus 5, this will be odd for any integer, means for a. क्वेश्चन 3 करते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So इसमें देखिएगा हमने इस क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है सेम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स एंड मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. सो इसके लिए हमने HCF एक्चुअली फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. सो एन आर्मी कंटिजेंट ऑफ 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members. So इसके लिए हमने 616 and 32 का HCF फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. So that will be the two groups are to march in the same number of columns. So that will be the same number of columns with maximum number of columns in which they can march. So to find the maximum number of columns, we have to find the HCF of 616 and 32. So इसको हम यूक्लिड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम से फाइंड करेंगे. So let C and D are the two numbers such that C is greater than D. So for this case 616 is greater than 32. So this will be C. and 32 will be D. So this C can be written as in terms of D, C is equal to DQ plus R. So this 616 using long division method, this 32 here 616 लिख लेते हैं. So ये देखिएगा किस तरीके से डिवाइड होगा. So 616 को 32 से हमने डिवाइड करना है. So 32 ones are 32 here. Now this 19, 616 और ये 32 है. So 9 is remaining here, and now this is 5 minus 3 is 2. Now 296. So 32 9 the 9 to 18 1. This to 28. So now the remaining number is integer is 8. So this 616 may be written as it is equal to dq plus r, means 19, 32, d is 32 into q is 19 plus r, remainder is 8. So as remainder is not equal to 0 at this stage, so remainder 8 is not equal to 0, means the new numbers will be 32 and 8. And this new numbers means C is 32, now D is 8, so C is equal to DQ plus 4, DQ plus R इस फॉर्म में इस नंबर को हम लिखेंगे. So 32 is equal to DQ plus R, so 32 is equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. So new numbers has 32 and new numbers are 32 and 8. So now this 32 divided by 8, 8 4 is 32, so remainder is 0. So 32 is equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. At this stage remainder is equal to 0. So now remainder is equal to 0. This D means 8 will be the required HCF. So HCF of 616 and 32 is equal to 8. So hence maximum number of columns is 8. क्वेश्चन 4 करते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है यूज यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा टू शो दैट द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer n. Now let the any positive integer, let the positive integer is a, let the positive integer be a. So now by using the Euclid's division algorithm, Euclid's division lemma, this a can be written as bq plus r. Now let b is equal to 3, so this a will be now this 3q plus r, यानी b को हमने यहाँ 3 लिख दिया. So a is equal to 3q plus r. Now the value of r, it will lie between b, it will be less than b and greater than equal to 0. So r will be less than b, b is 3, so it will be less than 3, greater than equal to 0. That means r is equal to 0, 1, 2. So r will be less than 3 means it will be 0, 1 and 2. So for r is equal to 0, 1 and 2, equation 1, it becomes a is equal to 3q plus 0 means 3q, a will be 3q plus 1, or a will be 3q plus 2 for r is 2. So positive integer a may be 3q, it may be 3q plus 1, it may be 3q plus 2. Now we have to show that square of any positive integer. So now square. So for a is equal to 3q, square of this a will be a square will be equal to 3q square. So now it is equal to 3q whole square. It will be equal to 3 square is 9 and q square is q square. So it is 3q square. Now this a square may be written as 3 into 3q square. So 9 is equal to 3 into 3. So a square को हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं 3 into 3q square, and definitely this 3 square will be integer. So this 3q square is integer. So a square is equal to 3 multiplied by some integer. Let this 3 square is equal to m. So a square is equal to 3m. Now for a is equal to 3q plus 1. So this a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. इसमें हम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करेंगे. a plus b का होल स्क्वायर इज a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. So it is equal to 3q whole square means 9q square plus 2ab means 2 into 3q plus 1. It is 6q and 1 square is 1. So इसको हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं फर्दर. a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, इन दोनों में कॉमन ले लेते हैं. देखिएगा 9q स्क्वायर प्लस 6q में कॉमन ले लेते हैं. लेट 3 इज कॉमन, 3q इज कॉमन एक्चुअली. सो 3q कॉमन ले लिया. नाउ 3q यहाँ कितना बचा, 3q प्लस 2 प्लस 1. So it is equal to 3 multiplied by q, 3q plus 2 plus 1. Now this q, 3q plus 2, this will be some integer. This will be some integer. So this is of the form 3. Let some integer is m, 3m plus 1. So a square is of the form 3m plus 1. A square is equal to 3m plus 1. Now consider the third case. This was case 1. This was case 2. And let us consider the case 3. That is a is equal to 3q plus 2. So now a square, it will be equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Again applying the identity, algebraic identity, a plus b whole square. So it will be equal to 3q whole square means 9q square plus 2ab. It will be 2 into 3q into 2. So it will be 12q and plus 2 whole square, it is 4. So इसको फर्दर हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. Now this is 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. So फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स में से, यानी 4 को हमने 3 plus 1 में लिख लिया. So और इसमें से हम फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स से कॉमन ले सकते हैं. 3 कॉमन ले लिया. यहाँ बचा 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 4q plus 1 plus 1. So now definitely this will be some integer. Let this some integer is m. So this is equal to 3m plus 1. Again a square is equal to, for this case, a is equal to 3q plus 2. This is a square is of the form 3m plus 1. So a square in first case is 3m, and second and third case a square is of the form 3m plus 1. So we conclude that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So ये प्रूव करना था, hence proved. Now question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 2. Let the positive integer be a, और इस a को हम लिख सकते हैं a is equal to y Euclid's division lemma. We can write this a as b cube plus r. and let the value of V is 3. So V is 3, the value of R will be less than V, greater than equal to 0. So we can say R will be less than 3, greater than equal to 0. It means R is 0, 1 and 2. So for R is equal to 0, 1 and 2, this equation 1, we can say equation 1 for R is 0, 1 and 2 and B is equal to 3. Equation 1, it will be, A is equal to 3q plus R, 3q plus 0 yani 3q, so it will be 3q plus 1 or it will be 3q plus 2. For V is 3 and for V is 3, the A will be 3q, A is any positive integer, A will be 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Now, so that the any cube of any positive integer, cube, so we will find cube. So let case 1 के लिए A is equal to 3q, so A cube will be equal to 3q cube, means it will be 3 to the 3 की power 3 is equal to 27 k cube. So 27 k cube को फर्दर हम लिख सकते हैं a cube is equal to 27 means 9 into 3q cube. Now this 3q cube is some integer. So let some integer is m. So a cube is equal to 9m. So this a cube is equal to 9m for the case 1 and this m is some integer. Now the second case, case 2 में a is equal to 3q plus 1 ले लेते हैं. So a cube will be equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube, and we know that the algebraic identity a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So a cube now will be equal to a cube means 3q का cube means 27q cube plus b cube means 1 cube is 1 cube is 1 plus 3a square means 3 into 3q का square. So ये आ जाएगा 3 into 3 square is 9 means 27, 3a square into b, okay, and a square q square भी आएगा. So finally this 3a square भी आप solve करेंगे, it will be 27q square plus, now this plus 3ab square. 3ab square means 3 into a is 3q plus 1 square is 1, so it is equal to it is 9q. So now further इसको हम इस तरह से शो कर सकते हैं. 20 पहले इसको रीअरेंज कर लेते हैं टर्म्स को. 27k q क्यूब प्लस 27q स्क्वायर प्लस 9q प्लस 1. 9 हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं इससे. सो 9 कॉमन लेने से यहाँ बचेगा 3 इंटू q क्यूब प्लस 3q स्क्वायर प्लस q. So this plus 1. Now this is some integer. This is some integer. Let this some integer is equal to m. So a cube is equal to 9m plus 1, where m is equal to some integer. So second case में हम a cube को 9m plus 1 की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. Now case 3 में a is equal to 3q plus 2 को कंसीडर करेंगे. So a is equal to 3q plus 2. Now a cube will be equal to 3q plus 2 cube. So इसको further solve कर लेते हैं. So is equal to again formula identity again sorry ये algebraic identity apply करेंगे. So a plus v cube ये हमने लिखा हुआ है. So finally this will be equal to 3 cube का cube means 27q cube 27 q cube plus b cube means 2 cube is 8 plus 3a square b, it will be 54 q square plus 3ab square. So this will be equal to 36 cube. Now इस a क्यूब को अब हमने क्या करना है कि 8 को लास्ट में रखेंगे और 27 q क्यूब 54 q स्क्वायर 36 क्यूब इसमें से कॉमन ले सकते हैं हम 9 is common, let 9 is common. So now remaining in the bracket, remaining terms are 3q cube plus इस 54 क्यू स्क्वायर में से 9 कॉमन लिया तो बचा 6 क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस 36 क्यू में से 9 कॉमन लिया, यहाँ बचा 4 क्यू प्लस 8. नाउ दिस इज सम इंटीजर, दिस इज सम इंटीजर. इसको हम फर्दर देखिएगा a क्यूब को कह सकते हैं इज इक्वल टू 9 and this is some integer. Let this 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q, this is m. So this is a cube is 9m plus 8. So a cube को हम 9m plus 8 की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. So now to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So a cube may be of the form a cube may be 9m, a cube may be 9m plus 1, a cube may be 9m plus 8. Hence proved. यही हमने प्रूव करना था.
Thank you. Keep watching our YouTube channel Eduate, Education Anytime. If you feel it is beneficial for you and your friends, please subscribe, like and share it. Press the bell icon to get latest updates and notifications. We also provide online and offline classes.